Hello everyone. In this video, today we are going to see about safe email practices. Okay, you all must be having emails now because everything is online. Sometimes your school, teachers may send you homework or anything through email. I think everybody must be having emails. So in this video, I will be sharing you what are the safety practices of using email. First thing, never ever open any mails from an unknown person. This is the first thing you need to follow. And again, many times in the subject, it is written that you have won a contest and you are selected as one of the best, winner, and you have won a lottery for 10,000 crores. So all these things are spam and fake. Never ever become greedy that you get this much of amount for doing nothing. Nobody will give you money for doing nothing. So it is always hard work that pays you. So do not open that. And when you open it, what happens is they will ask you for some details, and with the intention of getting the money, we may share the information, and that is going to be harmful for you. So then next is, sometime through emails, even some banks also ask you to share your name, date of birth, birthplace, the organization you are working. See, all those details nobody is going to ask you through mails. So never ever share until and unless you know the person, and that person is known to you offline also, and you can rely upon the person. Then only you have to share the details. Otherwise, do not share. Again, any links or attachment saying that 50% off and like 100% off, 80% off, all those links are fake, and do not ever try to click those links and fall a prey to all these things. Okay. The next is, when you are writing a mail to somebody, like, do not use all capital letters because it is considered as very rude. Don't do that. Then one more important point, that never ever share or forward mails without verifying the facts. Be very clear that it is of something useful to somebody and you are sure about it, it is correct, then only share it. Otherwise, be a responsible person and do not share anything and everything whatever you receive in your mail. These are all the main things which you need to be careful when you are using emails. I hope it is clear to you all, children. Thank you.